Hmm. What am I planning to eat today? Well, all those people who think that vegetarian food can't be tasty, tasty food cannot be cooked easily. Tasty food preparations take lots and lots of time. Healthy food can't be amazingly delicious. This recipe is for you. Well, the preparation time, like what preparation time you have to give to this recipe, is not even more than 5 minutes. This is an amazing, amazing recipe which is healthy, which is tasty, which is easy to make, which is quickly prepared, and which has ample, ample health benefits. It improves your digestion. It is a probiotic. It has ample amount of fiber. It helps in making your immunity strong. It is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants. It helps you in having good heart health. It has a lot of vitamin K, anti-inflammatory compounds. It is a potential cancer protection. It supports overall wellness by fighting inflammation and promotes healthy gut, and it detox your system. So, what can be a better thing? And this is an amazing food. Without wasting much time, let's go to Rasoi. I call it Rasoi, not kitchen, because Rasoi means a place from where ras comes, from where taste comes. So let's go to Rasoi and prepare this amazing recipe, which I ate when I was a child. And I tried to find it on the internet because my mother used to make it, but then I could not find it on internet. So I decided that I will make a video on the recipe. And trust me, your kids will love it, you will love it, and you won't get, I think, an easier version of preparation anywhere else. So let's go to Rasoi.
Take an entire cauliflower gobi and flatten the base so that you can balance it. Take water in a container and add some salt to it. Now we are going to dip the entire cauliflower into this water and we are going to put it for boil so that it is absolutely clean. Till the water and cauliflower is getting boiled, let's make some dressing. So I have taken hunkered. I have not got it from market. I'm just showing you how to make it through a cloth. It's very, very easy. You can make it at home. So now this hunkered is absolutely ready and we are going to put some spices in it. So you can add turmeric, you can add a little bit of salt, you can add some dhania powder, coriander powder. You can also add some chilies if you want. Then next you can have dried mango powder. And now we are going to add a little bit of besan gram flour into it. Now mix it well and now it is ready. Let's take a neat cloth and we are going to dry our cauliflower gobi which is boiled now. So put it on this cloth and dry it well. Now it is absolutely ready, and since it is stuffed gobi, stuffed cauliflower, so we are going to apply a little bit of oil on it. So I am taking olive oil. You can also take mustard oil or any other oil that you use. So apply it nicely with your hands or a brush on the both sides, and then we are going to do some stuffing into it since it is a stuffed cauliflower. So what stuffing we are going to use? We are taking raisins, we are taking cashews, you can take almonds and stuffing of your choice. Now my oil is already on my hand, so I'm applying it on these nuts as well, and just turn it and do the nice stuffing properly. Now stuffing is done and we are going to apply this mixture on it, and you have to cover it nicely with this mixture. Make sure it is wonderfully covered. I'm using my hands here. Now we are going to bake it. So keep it in the OTG oven. You can also bake it in air fryer, and then we are going to bake it for some time, and then let's see what is the outcome. Our super tasty, super amazing stuffed cauliflower is ready, and you eat it now. If you want, you can put some extra seasoning and cheese, and as per your taste, add some moderations.